Sa ibang usapin naman po, sa mga bagong programang hatid po ng University of the Philippines, ating pong makakapanayam si Attorney Angelo Jimenez, ang presidente po ng UP System. Attorney Jimenez, magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Magandang umaga sa iyo, Dayan, at sa iyong mga masusugid na tagapanood sa inyong programa po.
Alright, sir, I understand may mga bagong programa po na inaalok sa UP Mindanao. Tell us about these new degree programs po.
Yes, UP Mindanao is our only UP unit sa entire Mindanao Island, and we are introducing new programs kasi pinapa-increase namin yung population doon to respond to the needs in that area. No? Ang una nito is yung pinaka-significant is mag-introduce tayo ng medicine, of course, no? And course in medicine. Kasi kulang na kulang ang mga doctors doon, and we wanted to contribute, not just doctors, but students trained to be excellent doctors and leaders as well. No? Pangalawa, we are also introducing engineering. No? We will be starting with civil engineering, and hopefully other engineering disciplines will also follow, including industrial, mechanical, and electrical. Pero pauna muna natin ang civil engineering. And then we will also be introducing yung master studies, no, in quantitative methods and modeling. This is to enhance and upskill the skills ng ating mga students sa BS Computer Science and BS Applied Math. And then we will also be introducing MS in Biology because kailangan ito dito to enhance our scientific research power in Mindanao. And yung basic program. We will also be introducing yung associate degree in entrepreneurship para ma-encourage ang innovation and startups in that island. Because we are trying to be in step with the aspirations of the people of Mindanao to truly develop, lalo na activated na talaga and very, very much implemented na ang mga plans ng ating BARM, no? Yung Bangsamoro Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao. But it will include the entire Mindanao.
Magandang development po ito pagdating sa sektor ng edukasyon dyan po sa Mindanao. Now, understand, meron po kayong target itong Road to 5,000 students. Ano na po ba ang status natin ito, sir? Ilan na po ba ang ating mga estudyante dyan ngayon? At on track po ba tayo to achieve this goal?
This will jumpstart that program, no? Because we have over 200 hectares there and other areas in Mindanao as well, but the campus itself can accommodate more. But more important than that is that the Mindanao can accommodate more of our graduates. We want to help them in the basic sciences, help, no? Including social science din naman. So itong mga paunang program na to are designed to meet that. No? Sana makarating namin. Ang goal is to reach 5,000 by 2029, which is of course the end of my term. And with this kind, especially focus on health and engineering, no, which we hope na kung matuloy, will become irreversible pag-expand. Ang vision natin is to make UP Mindanao a truly comprehensive national university that can enhance and support and even lead, no, yung development aspirations ng people of Mindanao, ng mga kababayan natin dito. They're undergoing a relative peace and stability in that area. We want to seize this opportunity. But of course, ang kailangang mag-stress natin that we have a mandate as a public service university. And we want to reach to sa mga areas na generally, geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. Yun ang focus natin dito.
Well, Attorney Jimenez, maraming salamat po sa pagbahagi po nitong mga bagong degree programs dyan po sa UP, dyan po sa Mindanao. And of course, we'd like to talk again soon po more about sa mga iba pa pong programa ninyo dyan po sa University of the Philippines. Yes. But for now, we'd like to thank you, Attorney Jimenez, po sa inyo pong oras dito po sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat din sa panahon na binigay mo sa amin at sa suporta sa pagpapalaganap ng ating mga initiatives ng National University.
Thank you po, Attorney Jimenez.